Okay, guys, it is Friday, and this is what I am dealing with. I am trying to get my house taken down, and I just cannot get it together. This is sad. Sad, I tell you, sad. uh, yes, this is what I am living with. So hopefully before this weekend over with, I can get this stuff out of my house. I want it gone. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten so far from Christmas takedown. See, this is why you do not configure your whole entire house for the holiday. Yeah. I think part of my curtains up. Yeah, and the process continues. Okay, got the rugs down. Now, that big old chair. Look at this mess. I'm never going to get my house back together. Happy New Year, everybody. He is mad at me. He talking about the dog because he is mad right now. Gonna move all this stuff back. He be all right. Here comes the chair. You got it? Nope. Muscles, muscles. Woo! Go ahead, muscles. And then it extends to 90 inches, which is perfect for our dining room. I like the way it is right now, and we'll keep it this size, but when we have company, we can make it a little larger. It does say that it seats, but I think it will really tie everything together. Okay, the chair is back. And make it look really beautiful. We're making progress. Okay, you guys. A day late and $1 short. This is the entryway. Everything's gone. All the Christmas is gone. I hate those mirror things. I'm really gonna find me a nice mirror that's not gonna bake the brain. You know what I mean. So here is my entryway table. This is what it looks like. Hard to shoot because it's such a small area here. I thought I was going to never get that stuff down, you guys. Oh my God. Small area. So that is the entryway. And that is my entryway table. And that's just my everyday decor. And now the living room's all back put together. And I just got my everyday decor. And there's that chair. My poor old man and him in his chair. It's so comfortable, y'all. This furniture is so comfortable. But I do think it's time for some new. It's getting a little worn to me. But the fibers was already made real soft. So it does have that worn look.
but I don't think I want it anymore. This is the time when you take down your Christmas stuff. You start to really like go around and evaluate things that you know when springtime comes you're gonna be wanting to change. So I'm thinking about the furniture. TV play. TV, mantle decor. Have my lights. Candles. Fireplace on. A little stand here I got from Hobby Lobby. Take you around quickly. A little bar table, wine holder. And it's actually shaped like a wine glass. Like old tables. And since it's winter time, I left those penguins out. I got these recently from Z Gallerie. They were on clearance. And those horns. I absolutely love that bowl down there. And as you can see, I am a metallic girl. I like both metallics, but my favorite is the gold. And I have such a small coffee table, reason being because, I wanted to make sure we had walking space in our living room to get around our tables. Because we use everything in our house. Our house is livable. I'm not quite an empty nester yet. Almost, but not quite. That's the living room, guys. Okay, guys, last but not least, I got everything down out of the dining room. But those lights, I still have those lights up because of a reason. It's still winter to me. And plus, I'm going to be using them probably in a Valentine's tablescape. And I just like them. So you might see those lights in more videos than one. And the back area. Everything's gone. Oh, my dining room looks so bare. But like I was saying, this is the time you kind of can go through your home and associate the things that you may want to purchase. Don't worry about those bags because I do have an upcoming haul for you guys. I still have those 3 mirrors and my sconce. That lamp, those lamps are so old. I just can't bring myself to get rid of them. I still think they're pretty. Haven't did really anything to the bar cart. It's still the same. Bags, tables. No tablescape right now. Cause my old man was like, why'd you just leave the table bare for a change? So, at his request, I did not do a tablescape. Okay, and this is top of my hutch. Told you I collect owls. And there's still my same white dishes. And that's where I'm going to keep that lamp. I'm finally going to take the plastic off when I get a chance. So a lot of my decor was the same in the dining room. I am looking for 2 side end chairs and maybe another hutch, depending on my space, because I told you guys I'm going to be moving. So Alright, you guys, thanks for watching me go through the struggle of taking down this Christmas stuff. It was a long road, but I finally got it all down. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and push that button if you would like to see more. I have lots and lots of more videos coming up for you guys in the future. Hopefully you would like to come on, and always keep on pushing and never let nobody get you down or get in your way. See you guys. Bye.